Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook a steak in a pan. First, select a good quality steak, ideally 1.5 inches thick, for the best results. Before cooking, it's crucial to pat your steak completely dry with paper towels. This step helps achieve a beautiful, crispy crust. Then, season both sides generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper. Don't be shy with the seasoning. Now, let's get that incredible sear. Place a heavy-bottomed pan, like cast iron, over high heat until it's smoking. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, such as grapeseed or avocado oil, to the hot pan. Carefully place your seasoned steak in the pan. Sear it for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, allowing a rich, deep brown crust to develop. This initial sear locks in the juices. After searing, reduce the heat to medium. Add 2 tablespoons of butter, a few cloves of crushed garlic, and some fresh herbs like rosemary or thyme to the pan. Tilt the pan and continuously baste the steak with the melted butter mixture for 1 to 2 minutes, flipping once. Cook until your desired doneness is reached. Then, remove the steak from the pan and let it rest on a cutting board for 5 to 10 minutes. This is vital for juicy results. Finally, it's time to slice and enjoy your masterpiece. After resting, slice the steak against the grain into 1/2-inch thick pieces. Slicing against the grain ensures maximum tenderness in every bite. Arrange the slices on a plate and serve immediately with your favorite accompaniments, perhaps some roasted vegetables or a fresh salad. You've just cooked a restaurant-quality steak right in your own kitchen. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.